Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called scope creep. In one of my earlier days in IT field in 1980s, there was no agreed upon use of either the term scope or scope creep. Today, at least, we have some common definition for both. For example, scope means the extent of what a project will produce and the work needed to produce it. That is called project scope. A guide to the project management body of knowledge mentions it is the sum of products, service, and results produced in a project. It is often documented using a scope statement and a work breakdown structure, which are approved by the project sponsor. Scope creep is something adding additional features or function of a new product, requirement, or work that is not authorized, that is behind the agreed upon scope. The PMBOK guide describes scope creep as adding features and functionalities without addressing the effects on time, cost, and resources, or without customer approval. Changes on products is inevitable, so the possibility for scope creep is also inevitable. Perhaps this is the reason why taming scope creep is also challenging. So, what is wrong with scope creep? By working on unapproved features of a product, a project team devotes time to unauthorized changes. The work to incorporate these changes must usually be done within the original time and budget estimate, leaving less time for approved part of the scope. That could mean approved features don't get completed and the end product is not what was charted, or it can mean that time and cost overrun to finish unauthorized parts of the scope will occur. So how does scope creep occurs? There are many ways scope creep can occur in projects. Executive at the sponsor level frequently don't want to be involved in everyday decision, so the project team makes them. Some change request or appear to be small, again the project team act on them instead of following a formal change management process. An inflexible or cumbersome change control process may also contribute to unauthorized scope additions. Hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Bye.